All right, in chapter two's questions, you are given two problems that you kind of need to draw and use properties and the measuring tool to kind of figure out the answers to those. Read carefully. It is also telling you that it wants the answer to the nearest um, uh, tenth 10 spot decimal place. So if you think about that, as we kind of take a look, so of course when we are in uh, the drawing, you can kind of grab the line a little bit, but we really are taking a look at the properties here of that line. And you can come down here and see this is 5.3151. So make sure that you are listening and rounding to the appropriate decimal when you give that answer. So on that, likewise, I also want to point out if we use the measure tool up here, so we'll go down and measure the angle. So, and if we click that to measure the angle, notice it comes up with 41 degrees. I noticed a couple of you that put this in. 41 degrees is not the answer here, and I want you to stop to think about the reason why. And if you think about it, we set our units to a certain precision. So on this particular exercise, when you do these, go back and let's change our units here. Notice our units in decimals, so should be precision of 3 decimal places. But in our angles, we have 0 decimal places there. So go ahead and change your units to 3 decimal places there and hit OK. Now, from that point, go back and use the measuring tool again and see what you get in terms of the actual angle there. And of course, once you see that, go ahead and round up to the uh, decimal that it is asking you for there as well. So just a couple of things for you to take into account, pay attention to as you work on some of these questions.